Editing journal entries in QuickBooks Online can feel heavy during cleanup, month-end close, or audit prep. If you need to correct accounts, update amounts, fix descriptions, or apply the right class or location, doing it one by one takes time and it is easy to miss something. In this video, I'll show you how to edit journal entries in QuickBooks Online using SaasAnt. You export them to Excel, make the changes once, and update them back into QuickBooks. I will also show a faster live edit option for quick fixes on a few journal entries. To start 30-day free trial of SaasAnt, just click the link in the description to get started today. Now inside QuickBooks Online, go to Apps, search for SaasAnt, and install it. Approve the connection, and you land SaasAnt Dashboard. After logging in and connecting your QuickBooks company, go to Download. On the Filter and Export page, choose Journal Entries from the dropdown. Next, set up your filters to pull only the journal entries you want to change. Select your date type and set your date range. Choose Simple Mapping. Click Search to load the journal entries based on the filters you applied. Review the results, select the journal entries you want to edit, and click Download. Choose CSV or XLSX and save the file. Open the downloaded file in Excel. Do not change the key reference columns, such as journal number and any internal identifiers. SaasAnt uses these to match the existing entries. Update only the fields you want to change, such as account, debit amount, credit amount, description, journal date, memo, name, class, or location. Save the file after you finish your edits. After making the changes, go back to SaasAnt. This time, choose Modify from the dashboard and select Journal Entry as the transaction type. Upload the edited file. On the mapping screen, check that the columns in your file are mapped correctly to the QuickBooks fields, especially the fields you just edited. When everything looks correct, click Review and then click Update QuickBooks to apply the changes to your journal entries. To verify the results, you can switch back to your QuickBooks Online account or click the QBID link in SaasAnt to open a few of the updated journal entries. Confirm that the accounts, amounts, dates, and other edited changes match what you updated in Excel. If you only need to fix a few journal entries quickly, you can use SaasAnt Live Edit. Now open SaasAnt Transactions Online. Go to Smart Entry and click Live Edit, then click Ready to Edit. You will see two ways to find what you want to edit. Edit by searching lets you filter and pull journal entries using options like transaction type, date type, and date range. Edit by reference lets you pull specific entries directly using journal numbers. For this example, I am choosing Edit by searching. Select Journal Entries from the dropdown. Choose your date type, for example, Search by created date. Set the date range for the period you want to review, then click Search. SaasAnt will load the matching journal entry lines into a table. From here, you can click into any editable field you want to change. Here, I have updated the description for the line that needs the fix. Once you are done, click Submit to push the changes back to QuickBooks Online. After the update is processed, click the QBID link to open the same journal entry in QuickBooks and verify the change. Now you are back in QuickBooks Online. You can see that the description has been successfully updated on the journal entry lines. That's how you can bulk edit journal entries using Excel or quickly fix a few with Live Edit without opening each entry in QuickBooks Online. Try the free trial for your next cleanup or month-end review.